The COVID-19 public health emergency officially ended about 6 weeks ago, and there are some new, very interesting numbers from the CDC. We're diving into the data in your breakdown. About 97% of Americans have some type of antibodies against COVID-19, either from getting vaccinated or having the virus. That's according to new CDC numbers based on a nationwide study of antibodies in Americans over 16. That study also showed 77.5% of people have at least some immunity from having the virus. But that also means by the end of December of last year, about 25% of the country still had not caught COVID. The CDC says it's difficult to measure these numbers, in part because so many people take at-home tests and their cases are never reported to the state. And of course, having COVID once does not mean you can't catch it again. Looking at the CDC's COVID vaccination dashboard, almost 70% of Americans are fully vaccinated, and a little over 80% of Americans have had at least one dose of the vaccine. Louisiana's numbers, though, are a little bit different. Only 53% of Louisiana residents are fully vaccinated, while 59% have had at least one shot. Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama also have the lowest booster rates in the country. But allow me to offer some perspective on how far we've come. In early July of 2020, the city was shutting down large gatherings. The percentage of positive tests in New Orleans was rising, and Louisiana saw a spike in cases and deaths in the weeks following the July 4th holiday. Cases spiked again in the weeks following the 4th of July in 2021 and again in 2022. Now, cases continue to decline as almost nearly every American has the antibodies to fight back, treatments have improved, and recent mutations of COVID-19 have led to less severe disease.